Hey guys, Peter here from the Hidden Online Living YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to quickly show you how you can create a simple landing page using aweber. So make sure to keep watching all the way through the video and I will show you the process step by step. So before we actually get into the video, if you find content like this to be helpful, make sure to leave a like on the video, also subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to be updated whenever I release future content, and also feel free to share the video. Also, if you're looking for an honest and genuine way to get started on your own online journey and you want to figure out the steps in which to do so, make sure to check out the link below in the description to find out more. So if you're just new to aweber and you're not really sure of the platform, I've also done a couple of previous videos which I'll leave a link in the description so that you can actually check them out, just so you can familiarise yourself with the platform if you're thinking of signing up. But here in this video I'm just going to walk you through the process of just creating a simple lead capture page using the landing page tools within aweber itself. So we'll quickly jump in. So once you've actually signed up to aweber itself and you're on the dashboard, you will get a notification here on the side here that allows you to create landing pages. So you just want to click on the button where it says create landing page. So once that page actually loads up, you will see here on the dashboard that you'll actually have access to quite a few templates that you can actually use to get started. Now they are fairly basic at best. If you actually do want to create high quality landing pages, you may be better at some point maybe opting into like a quality page builder like a Tribe Architect or Elementor, or even if you're using ClickFunnels or there's other programs out there online. But if you don't have a budget, aweber does have all these templates already built into the platform and everything is hosted within aweber itself. So this here would be a good avenue for a beginner to get started out, especially if you're just starting out on the platform itself. This here would be a good avenue to actually help you get started, and then when you feel like you want to invest further, then you can look into getting another page builder or another platform later on, but you can still use aweber for your emails. It's just something to think about, but it is a good way to get started. So you can check out a lot of these here templates and have a look at them. You can click and you can preview them so you can see how they actually look, and they actually do look very nice. They are well presented, everything is laid out very well, so it definitely works. There's no issues with it there, and for a beginner it's perfect. You know, you have everything there. All you have to literally do is just come in and just tweak your text, and even if you want to change out the images and so forth, you can actually do that. So you come back in here, we're just going to have a quick look at one of these templates. Again, you can choose any one of these ones here from the list that's available, but I kind of like the look of this one, so we're just going to choose this one real quick and we're quickly just going to show you through the process. Okay, so once the page is actually loaded up, you can see the template is actually pretty much ready to go, but we can highlight any of the segments within the page itself and a list of options will appear so that we can change and add in whatever other features. So again, if you want to add in or change any text, you will get a banner box that will show up, so you can change the font sizes, you can change the headings, you can change the footers, you can change the font sizes, you can change the position of the text, make it bold, italic, underline, and again you can just change out whatever pieces of information that would actually be best suited to you. So again, you'll get more options. You'll be able to put in borders, you can set the column alignments, you can set spacing, so you do have a lot of freedom. Plus you also have another elements tab here on the left hand side, so if you wanted to add in any other features, you want to add in images, you can do so. So when you want to click, you click on the icon you want, you drag it over to the canvas area, and wherever this line appears, either above or beneath an area you want to add it into, you can drag it and you can drop it into it and we'll add that element into it, and then you'll be able to add in an image from there. And you can do the same with social icons. You can add in new rows, you can add in dividers, you can add in forms, buttons, even videos. If you wanted to add a video in here, say for a YouTube video, so you can even change your logo. So again, you just want to highlight the box that it's on, and once you've highlighted, say if you want to update your logo, you can go into your image gallery or you can upload an image if you've got one on your computer. But in this case I'm just going to upload just a file I actually have here with my own logo on it, so we're going to click on that there and that's going to update now. So when that's brought in, we can click on this wee arrow and we can actually drag it and we can scale it, so we can reposition it, and if we want we can center align it, we can reposition it if we so wish, if we need to. So we can pretty much set it up how we want to set it up. So when we want to add in where we're going to send our traffic to once we've captured the emails, again, once people sign up with this contact form, the email would automatically be sent and stored within your list that you've actually created in aweber. If you haven't done that already, you will need to do that. If you want, check out the previous videos that I've already done. I'll leave the links again in the description for them, so that it'll show you how to actually set up a list from scratch. and then you'll be able to follow along with the process. So again, once you've highlighted this here segment here, we can add privacy policy, so we can update this here. If you've got a link to a page on your website, you can add that in, or if not, aweber will use their own standard policy if you want to show that. Again, you can change different features. Again, we can change the name of these segments here, so you can edit them on this here form, and we can also add in submission. So if we want to use a custom URL or send them to a different type of page or a thank you page, so in this case what I'm actually just going to do is I'm just going to use a URL from a YouTube video on my channel, and what that will do is once they sign up, they will actually then be sent to that video so that they can actually view it. So even down here, what you can also do is you also have access to social media icons. Again, you can remove these here or add more in if you want. So for this here, I'm just going to add in just my Twitter page. So all you have to do is go over to your Twitter account and highlight and copy your URL code, and then you want to come in and you want to edit it, and then you can just paste it in here. So what we're quickly going to do is, once you're happy enough with everything, we're just going to quickly just preview it just to show you it in action. So again here, just going to type in my name and then just going to leave in my email and just going to click sign up and see where the page actually takes us to. So once you've added in your details, you'll be able to test it out, and what it will do is then it will actually, because the way I have it set up, you can either set up to go to a thank you page, or you can send it directly to a video, or if you have some sort of offer, like say an ebook, or to download as a lead magnet, or if you have some sort of training, but they can only access it once they actually sign up. Only then, once they've provided their email, then you can send them then to that video so that they can see it for themselves. So also what you can do is you can also, like I mentioned, when you've added in your social media, so you can even click on one of the icons. So I have my Twitter account here, so once you add that in, it will actually open up your Twitter page, or it'll take them to the link that you actually have your Twitter page on. So as you can see here, gives you access then to your page, so people can actually find you on social media, which is actually really good. So this is just a simple way of showing you how you can actually quickly create a landing page within aweber itself, especially if you don't have access to a landing page software and you're getting started out online. Like saying you've already signed up to the email platform and you do want to have some way of capturing leads so that you can promote later on, so that you can build your list. So you can use the tools within aweber itself. They're perfectly usable and they're simple enough to get started with, and again, they have enough templates here that will actually just help you get up and running fairly quickly. And then whenever you're ready to move forward at a later stage, then you can opt into maybe buying an upgraded landing page builder or so forth. But for the moment, the tools within aweber are perfectly fine to get started. So it's just something to think about when you're moving forward with your business. So that's it now for this video, and I really hope that it's given you some idea about some of the processes within aweber itself, and shows you how easily you can set up all these structures and landing pages and so forth, so that you can just quickly start moving forward. And if you have found this content to be useful, make sure to leave a like on the video, also subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to be updated whenever I release future videos, and also be sure to share the video. Again, if you're looking for a simple and honest way to get started on your own online journey and you want to figure out the steps in which to do so, make sure to check out the link below in the description to find out more. And as always, I will see you in the next one.